Alright. How many times I've said that? Thursday, 26, day 10, week 5. We asked if there's any questions on link aggregation. Students finished up those labs. I really didn't talk much about HSRP. We've already talked a little bit about the concepts, first hop, redundancy protocols. The idea of, having your PC point at a virtual Mac, and then routers sharing the responsibility for getting the traffic out. Now, also with that, you can load balance. We may look at that later on. We looked at briefly the example here on campus of where we would use ether channel, and we talked about our main rack, which eventually this will be our main switch, ether channeling back to the classrooms for better performance. Since we have the lines, and if we're not using them, and if we have the ports and we're not using them, that would be a good approach. And that's it. One other thing, second thought, what the students did then, they went ahead and worked on labs. Finished up the labs. Next week we will finish up this lab for here, and then we'll get started on routing, dynamic routing protocols, and we'll go back to that class lab that we were working on previously too. And we'll do a little work on that Tuesday and Thursday of next week. Now I'm done.